My name is Adamu Muhammad Dankore. I will be showing you three websites. Um, these websites, they are targeted for personalities, um, so primarily artists, so like actors. I have three of these templates that I will show you. Um, so let's begin with the first demo website. Each of these can be modified to reflect the new owner of the website. So the first one, um, I will scroll down so you can see some of the sections, and then I can kind of explain what each of these section has. So the first section, there's this image on the right, and then the name of the actor and a brief intro to the actor. And this section, if you have, as an actor, if you have some brands, either your own or that you work with, this would be a good place to put immediately. So those are kind of the four elements in the first. We call this hero. This is the hero section. When I scroll a little further, after the hero, we have the social media area, the contact. So here we'll have your Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. I will add YouTube here. And then, depending on how you want people to contact you for business purposes, for partnerships, we can add anything you want here. We can add something like contact my representative, or even email me directly. This is fully customizable to the way you want it. And then after the contact section, we have your history. If you want people to know something about you, this will be the area to put. So this on the right will have your image, your picture, and then here we'll have about you, your history. We can add as many and as much as you want there. And then next is the gallery. Now this is where we'll have different images of your own if you like. So if you want to add as many pictures as you want, we can add them here. And what the only effect that people will see here is the images will be going up where people see them. And then lastly, we have this area that has your logo. This will be changed to your logo if you have one. If you don't have a logo, this will be your image, like a picture of you that is really small. And then here, it's another link to your YouTube channel. And I decided to make it really prominent because YouTube now is very popular with many artists, many actors and actresses. So then here we have copyright. This is my company. And then here, join my newsletter. This is something that you need to tell me if you want. And then we can activate that. But this is an advanced feature. What it does is it collects email, and you use the email to contact your supporters directly. You can email your supporters with anything that you want, but just know that this is an advanced feature. So yeah, I'm gonna scroll up so you can see the website again. And we have So at the top, this is the navigation. We have the biography. It's going to take me to your biography. If I click the contact, it's going to take me to contact. If I click the gallery, it's going to take me to gallery. You understand. But here is another navigation that is not working. And this is an advanced feature, meaning you have to request this before I do it. And this is a store. Like, many actors and actresses have stores where they sell something. It can be t-shirts, it can be cups, it can be anything. So we could add that here. And I have another page that is not available now, available upon request, that we can add charity. If you have a charity, we can add that page here where people can donate to your charity, your charity registration, anything you want there, we can add that. I made this website so that it's fully responsive. If you don't know what responsive is, I will show you. I'm going to try to squeeze in the page. As you can see, the images now have changed location from right to the bottom. So this is what we call responsive. This is a mobile view. Anybody on mobile, this is how they will see your page. This is how they will see your page. So it's fully responsive. Nothing is lost from the desktop view to the mobile view. And as you can see already here, I have your logo as your image. And if you check at the very top here, this is the tab. It also would have your image. That area where the tab is called the fav icon. And it's basically going to be your logo. If you have a logo, it's going to appear there. If you don't have a logo, your picture is going to appear there. So that is that on this first demo website. Now let's go to the second demo website. So totally refreshing with lots of colors. As you can see right now, there's no navigation at the top, right? This is called the navigation, but here there's none at the top. Totally different style, but it really starts with showing a picture of yourself on the left, and this is called a testimony if you want. So someone somewhere have given you a testimony of the talent you have, something you have done. We could add that here if you need one. Otherwise, this will be empty. After that, we have your name and then a brief about yourself. And then immediately after, we have a navigation to your biography, okay? And then a navigation to the contact me page. And then we have social media right off the bat. We have Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. If there's any social media you want that is missing, I can add it. Just let me know. All right, so I'm going to scroll further. This is the navigation. I can easily navigate through each of these sections. But the first section is the biography. Okay, we have your name, kind of a subtitle, and then everything else that you want to appear here. And then next is the contact section. So anything can be here. Okay, you can say contact my agency or contact myself. However you want, this is fully customizable. You just need to let me know what to add there. And then here is a screencast. Number 3. I call it performance, but whatever that you do as an artist will appear here. Right now, I have a way to add all the videos that you have on YouTube. So if you have a YouTube channel and you do release shows or movies, this is nice because your YouTube videos, movies and shows will appear here automatically every time. This is my own YouTube because I teach programming in the Hausa language, just to show you how it's gonna look like. Um, it could be something else. It could be a video. It could be so a video will be an advanced feature. But right off the bat, I can add a YouTube for you. Add your YouTube, and I can control how many videos appear here. Right now, I have, I think, 12. It can be 4. It can be as many as you want. Your latest, it can be 1. And then this is the footer. It would have your name, and then this is my agency, and this is also fully responsive. So I'm gonna try to squeeze my browser and watch it as it reshapes and resizes very elegantly. Nothing is lost. Nothing is lost. Everything works. This is a very colorful demo if you want to use it, and very clean. So, all right, that is that. That is that about this template. Let's go to the last template. Now, right off the bat, this one includes the news section. So if you're an actor, an artist that wants to publish blogs yourself about anything, this will be a good template for you. You would have that opportunity to do that. But let's not get ahead of myself. Let's kind of take it from the landing page or the front page. So you have your image, very large. You can make this as large as you want, as tall as you want. It will have your your title. And maybe I can actually add your name here before the title, but here it will have a little brief history about yourself, a description about yourself. And immediately we have the social media, like the last one. And here we have some selected images that you could display right away. So this could be any image that you want. And then after that, we have the latest news section. And this is where people will see your most recent published articles. The articles can be anything. So, and if you like this template but you don't like the news, I can remove it. Removing things is really easy, so I can do that. Whichever template you need, just let me know. I'll be able to add anything that you want. We also have this advanced feature here where you can collect your subscriber emails and you can contact them directly. But this is an advanced feature. And then we have your most recent shows and the date and the kind of character you played. Is it the main character, supporting, etc. And then right below we have another navigation. You can navigate easily to any of the pages that you have. And then it has your name here, and then the name of my agency. All right, that is the home page. Let's go to the about page. So at the top, I'll click about. Here we go. This is a page dedicated for about yourself. This is where you tell your story. All right, we'll go to the news page. So I'll click the news. And this is dedicated to everything you publish. Like I said, if you don't think you publish, I can remove this page. But it's there for, because some artists do publish either on social media, you can publish on your website as well. And then next is the gallery. The gallery will contain images of yourself, any image you want to add, as many as you want. Your viewers can zoom it like this to see it more. They can exit by clicking anywhere like that. And then next is the store. So this is an example of what I mean by store. You could be selling anything. Okay, you could have a whole page dedicated to that, where people can order, things like that, your merchandise. But this is also an advanced feature. If you want it, just let me know, and we can get started on that. Lastly is the charity. This is an example page that will show your charity, what your charity does, some images, and so on and so forth. Now, before I show you how the responsiveness of the website, let me show you a very cool feature of this website. At the top right, I can click on what this looks like, an image, an icon of the sun. Check out what would happen. All of a sudden, this is dark. This is dark. This is called the dark mode in my profession for websites. What it helps it helps people view your website at night without the white light. So very suitable for night. This is something I can add on the other websites if you want one, but I wanted to demonstrate what it does. So very nice, very, very nice to have the dark mode included. All right, I'm going to turn it back to light mode, and let's demonstrate the responsiveness of the website. As you can see, nothing is lost. Everything is there. And look at that. We have the navigation here. We have everything and where we are at about. We'll go to news, all your news articles, your gallery. Look at that. I can click any image and view it, and it's going to appear at the bottom. And I can click anywhere outside the image to exit from that. And then I can go to the store, and I can go to charity. Very, very nice. No information is missing, is lost. All right, I'm gonna show you while we zoom out into the desktop mode. But that is it. Let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.